Hey everybody, it's Kristina from Kristina's Crafts. I've been sitting around tonight trying to figure out what kind of videos I'm going to do, and I got this love sign from Dollar Tree. And what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to pop this part off of the sign. I've already started working on it. I'm trying not to wreck it in case I want to use it on something else. So I'm just trying to get my knife under here and just kind of pop this up. See if I can get it in there. It does pop, once you get it underneath, it does kind of pop up kind of easy. Okay, I have my love sign all popped off, and it's actually not too bad. It's bent in some spots, but I could probably flatten it out to reuse it. All right, I got my white paint out, and I'm just gonna put a coat. I'm not gonna put like a super thick coat on here. I want it to look maybe a little bit more rustic. I might even actually, before I put them on there, I'm thinking about maybe just sanding the edges down a little bit. But I'm gonna get this painted, and then we'll see what I'm gonna do from there. Okay, I have my love sign all painted. I made sure to get all on the insides of all the letters too. Now I just have a little piece of sandpaper. I don't even know what grit it is. Just have it in my craft room, and I'm gonna go around the edges and just kind of rough the edges up a little bit. I don't know if you can see that. I'm just gonna rough those up a little bit, just on the edges, not all the way around either, just like that. Okay, I just wanted to show you real quick. For the letters, the distressing, like on the inside, I just use a nail file, which I got at the Dollar Tree. And you see, you just go right in here, and it just works really good to get in those tight spaces other than the sandpaper. Okay, now that my sign is done, I'm gonna take my stones that I have, and I'm gonna start putting them on my sign. So I'm just gonna use some hot glue. Okay, take a little hot glue, and then I am going to hot glue them to my sign, and I'm just going to follow the outline of love. All right, this is how it's looking so far. I'm thinking I'm really liking it. The only thing is I don't think it's gonna, excuse me, stand very good. So I'm gonna have to come up with a way to counteract the stones so that it will stand. Okay, I have them all on there. I think it looks super cute. This you could, I mean, definitely use for Valentine's Day, or you could just keep it up all the time. It does kind of sit. It's not too bad, but I think I'm going to put some supports on it anyways. So I painted these tumbling tower blocks, and I'm just going to put these on my love sign here, so once I attach it to there, it'll be a lot more stable. So I'm going to try to line it up in the middle of my letters here and center it. I should probably measure it, but of course I'm not. So I'm just gonna eye it up. All right, and that is it. It is all done. I really think it turned out really cute. I did, like I said, I'm not sure where I got the stones from. I've had them for a while, but I'm pretty sure that Dollar Tree sells the stones. But it is all finished. And I just want to say thank you so much for watching. And I hope if you're not subscribed to my channel that you subscribe. And take care. Thanks. Bye.